All right. How you feeling, baby?
Oh, I feel great.
Should we get this show on the road?
Yeah, okay.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and this here is the lovely and talented Natasha.
Get out of here.
And, yeah, welcome back to the show. And we have a very special song today. Our Ojibwe word of the day is NAGAMON song. NAGAMON. And I remember when old Benny Tontz would have us all get there by the drum and he'd be like, "Hey, Anishinabeg, Nagamunda." He was like, "Hey, Indians, let's sing." Anyway, but, sometimes a song, songs are weird. Sometimes they're just fun and entertainment. Sometimes they tell stories. And sometimes they're like a gift. And so this song, NAGAMON, is a gift for all the viewers of BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. So are you ready, sweetie?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, this one's by Elton John, and it's your song. All right.
It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, who knows? Or a woman who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. You can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I sat on the roof and picked at the moss, but a few of the verses, well, they've got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. You can tell everybody this is your song. It
quite simple, but now that it's done, hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. Hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. Oh, that was really pretty, sweetie.
Oh, thanks.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NAGAMON, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NAGAMON, and this is Natasha, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Menowa, Hawa. Oh, that was really good, sweetie.
Oh, thanks. Gigawabamin, Menowa, Hawa. All right. Well, should we pack it up?
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Okay.